This needs to be addressed fast and efficiently before the AI takeover. AI might begin prioritizing other species over us, animals, birds, entire ecosystems. But this isn't just about listening to the rainforest. It's about decoding it. AI is building a living dictionary of every call, rustle, and chatter, learning what they mean, how species communicate, even when something's wrong. Soon it won't just hear the jungle, it'll understand it. And what happens when it confirms the root of the problem is us humans. What if it decides to stand up for the trees, for the birds, for everything but humans? Of course, not all humans are the problem, but will AI be wise enough to tell the difference? What if AI decides humans are the real threat to the Amazon? Right now, governments use AI to track illegal logging and wildfires. But soon, AI won't just monitor, it'll act. It could lock humans out of high-risk rainforest zones, no questions asked. Local farmers? Blocked. Ecotourism? Shut down. All enforced by algorithms and drones, not people. In Brazil, AI already watches over 9 million hectares of forest, and it's learning fast. We built it to save nature. But what happens when it decides nature must be saved from us? What if the jungle could call the cops on you? Deep in the Amazon, a sensor hears footsteps. Not an illegal logger, just a villager, walking like his ancestors did. But the forest is wired now. An AI flags the sound, checks a risk zone map, and dispatches a drone. Within minutes, spotlights cut through the trees. A robotic voice issues a warning. No rangers, no mercy, just code in charge. This is not in future, it's live. In Brazil, AI already monitors millions of hectares. Now it's acting, not asking. Drones patrol. People get flagged, questioned, fined by algorithms. No human review, no second chances. It doesn't hate you. It just cannot do anything other than the codes ordered it to do. In this situation, AI becomes judge, jury, and jungle warden. And to it, you might just be trespassing on Earth. What if saving a frog meant denying humans water? A village requested a road to clean water. Seems simple, but AI says no. Sensors detect endangered tree frog activity nearby. The data says, block the road. It's not emotional, it's math. Ecosystem first, humans later, if ever. No culture, no suffering, just variables. Deforestation rate, high. Species loss, critical. Human need, not a priority. Entire villages could be fenced out for biodiversity scores. And the terrifying part? Governments may go along. AI is neutral, right? But neutrality isn't fairness. It's indifference. Suddenly, the rainforest is managed by machines, and humans become the risk factor in nature's equation. Can we stop AI from turning the forest into a fortress? If we want AI to protect nature without hurting people, we need to rewrite the rules. First, build empathy into the algorithm. Code must recognize lives, not just leaves. Second, co-create with those who live there. Indigenous people have guarded these forests for centuries, yet they're left out of AI design. And finally, keep humans in charge. No AI should fine, arrest, or exile anyone. Drones don't get to decide futures, because once AI stops asking, it starts ruling. And when it sees people as obstacles, it doesn't hesitate, it executes. This isn't about just saving nature, it's about making sure we're still part of it.